Ladies and gentlemen, this is your stewardess speaking. We regret any inconvenience the sudden cabin movement might have caused. This is due to periodic air pockets we encounter. There's no reason to become alarmed, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your flight. By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane? Ladies and gentlemen, please calm down. Please listen to me. I want to tell you what's going on with the ship. Thank you. We've been thrown off course just a tad.
What's a tad? Somebody asked me exactly what's a tad.
What exactly is a tad?
In space terms, that's about 500,000 miles.
Oh, that's interesting.
The bumps you feel are asteroids smashing into the hull of this ship. Also, we're flying without a navigational system and can't seem to change course.
Miss, are you telling us absolutely everything?
Not exactly. We're also out of coffee. Situation. Trust me, there's absolutely nothing to worry about. What are we gonna do, Ted?
Elaine, we're gonna have to blow the computer.
Blow rock?
That's right, Elaine.
Ted, there's no way you can do it.
What do you mean?
That computer has a self-defense mechanism. I don't know how we can get around it. We've already lost 3 men, and I don't want to lose you too, Ted.
And I guess it's in God's hands now.
I'm Father O'Flanagan. I'm a man of God. And you must trust me when I say it's very likely that we're all going to die.